How to get 120 FPS on Nintendo Switch 2. Step 1, go ahead and use supported games. So not all games support 120 FPS. You'll need one of this. So first would be Hades 2, Metroid Prime 4, Hollow Knight, YSX, Card and Shell, Handy Hockey, and more titles are being added regularly. Check the game settings or official site to confirm it's 120 FPS supported. Now, the second step is to go ahead and adjust your display settings. So go to System Settings and then head over to Video Output. Set the resolution to 1440p or 1080p. 120 FPS is only available at these resolutions and not 4K. Toggle 120 FPS mode on, and this prioritizes frame rate over resolution for smoother motion. Now, step 3 is to use a compatible monitor or TV. Connect your Switch 2 to 120Hz or 144Hz display, and then use a high-speed HDMI. Make sure your display supports ALLM, auto low latency mode, for reduced input lag. And then step 4 is to go ahead and dock mode recommended. So handheld mode may support 120 FPS, but battery drains faster. Docked mode offers better thermal performance and stable frame rates. And that is how you can basically get 120 FPS on Nintendo Switch 2.